Bee nature. Bees are highly social insects that live in organized colonies. They belong to the order Hymenoptera. Which also includes wasps and ants. Bees are known for their important role as pollinators. Transferring pollen from the male parts of flowers to the female parts. Allowing plants to reproduce and produce fruits and seeds. Here are some key points about bee nature. Social structure. Bees are eusocial insects. Meaning they live in highly organized colonies with specific roles for each member. The colony consists of a queen, workers, and drones. The queen's primary role is to lay eggs. While the worker bees perform various tasks such as foraging for nectar and pollen. Building and maintaining the hive, and caring for the young. Drones are male bees whose main function is to mate with the queen. Communication. Bees communicate with each other. Through a combination of pheromones, vibrations, and dances. Honey production. Bees are renowned for their ability to produce honey. Worker bees collect nectar from flowers. Which they store in their honey stomachs. Once back at the hive, they regurgitate the nectar and pass it to other worker bees who process it through enzymatic activity. This process converts the nectar into honey. Which is then stored in cells within the hive. Pollination. Bees play a crucial role in pollinating flowering plants. As bees collect nectar from flowers, pollen sticks to their bodies. As they move from flower to flower, the pollen is transferred, enabling plants to reproduce. This pollination process is vital for the production of fruits. Vegetables, and seeds in many plant species. Diversity. There are over 20,000 known species of bees worldwide. With various shapes, sizes, and colors. Some bees, such as honeybees and bumblebees, live in large colonies, while others, like solitary bees, live alone or in small groups. Threats and conservation. Bees face numerous threats, including habitat loss, pesticide exposure, climate change, and diseases. These factors have contributed to declines in bee populations globally. Conservation efforts, such as creating bee-friendly habitats, reducing pesticide use, and raising awareness about their importance, are essential for protecting and supporting bee populations. Bees are fascinating creatures, and their intricate behaviors and interactions with their environment make them vital contributors to our ecosystems. Please subscribe our channel.